So from a facilities standpoint, from an infrastructure standpoint, what we can really bring to the table is a global, maybe 5-year, 10-year plan that really brings the facility upgrade plan that could be executed over a 5 to 10-year period. And that could be really as basic as looking at current lighting standards, whether you're still using fluorescent, HIDs, high pressure sodium fixtures, and converting to LED. And with the current trajectory that we're looking at for lighting and lighting controls, finding a current standard or a current specification that can be built upon as these energy efficiency goals are expanded in current building codes and future building codes, and really achieve a great ability to have a energy efficiency not only through the light fixture but through the controls behind the light fixture. And that can also go hand in hand with a great environment for your staff to work in, whether it's through daylighting controls or dimmable white tuning, which will actually match the circadian rhythm of the sun. So these really provide comforts to the staff, so they're not necessarily always working under the fluorescent buzz above their heads. They're having a comfortable time at work that is also benefiting their health in a major factor.
Our range of services really start from the campus level in. We've done a number of large utility projects. We just completed a 2,700-ton steam turbine chiller for a large utility company in the city of Pittsburgh. Also with that, a cooling tower. And these are, district energy systems that serve multiple customers, say in a city or a small area. Similarly, we do a lot of that type of work for customers such as University of Pittsburgh. We are very involved with their central steam system, distribution throughout the campus and into the building. So we kind of start at that level and then work our way inside the building, which at that point we really can do anything that's required of us. Building type jobs, when you talk about that type of work, really it's about having a good conversation with the customer and making sure that up front they have a good understanding of what their own expectation of the project is, and at the same time that we have a clear understanding of the same.
As a company, we work in a ton of different environments. For facilities and infrastructure, we are across the spectrum. In the commercial realm, we do some multifamily residential, we do university things. And I think a lot of people, I think there's a statistic out there where nowadays people are spending over 80% of their time inside. So you want to make sure that these buildings that you're spending your time, you're living in, you're working in, you're playing in, are operating properly for you. I always tell people that if we do our job well, the people in the building shouldn't really notice it. You should be comfortable, the temperature is right, the lights turn on, the toilet flushes, and you don't really hear about it. It's not something people think of all the time. But a successful project from us is, when people can live in these buildings comfortably afterwards.